There we go. Alright, let's do it. Pretty sure I have kits, but I'm pretty sure I have like 8,000 kits. I don't have any. Alright. Maybe just like a this one. My bad. I can't do the rest of the recording. Alright. I just did not want to work. Serpentine. Not serpentine. Not serpentine. Oh, I don't even know that. There we go. Oh, what? That was light repair and it died? That's crazy. That's wild, bro. I forgot to buy clutch. Alright. Sometimes I question my methods. This looks... If this game had more detail, this would look disgusting. Fuel pump. That is the straightest fuel pump in history. Intermediate shaft? What is that? Ooh. Wait, how is that repairing nothing? Okay. Find it. More pump. Oh, that's right, you need the pistons first now. That's still the same as me. This is that stuff to do the body. Alright, that was a waste of time. Where I can't build. Wrong thing first. Well, I didn't want to do that in the first place. I knew that was going to be the first. Before I stopped doing the heavy repairs so much. There we go. Right. What? Do I just have bad luck or something? Thank you. Oh, there's no side skirts. Back panel. Oh, I did not see that. I did not see that. Base. New. That's expensive. You gotta be careful here with my prices, game. I'm almost out of money. There we go. That's what do I have? I have a lot. I think Alari's just on you. Oh, you do? I see. You actually go kind of crazy. Well, I don't even have the normal version. Oh, no, I do. What's that? This one 5? Oh, no, that's all 7. Let's do this fine machine. What? I don't think this has ABS. I did not expect that much braking, bro. No, I didn't go definitely well. Is there a turbo? Oh, there is. That's okay, so just don't turn when you brake. Gotcha. That's what I'm supposed to do. Actually, that makes a lot more sense now. It's not gonna be great times. It's gonna be better than min in 10 seconds. That was beautiful braking. Don't mind the tire marks that were there for like 5 minutes. Get under a minute. Come on. You got this, bro. With the handbrake. What is that? Oh, that was very nice. We haven't even used this card yet? Which one do I use here? Use the one with the weird color. From what I remember, this was not an easy card to drive. Okay. Don't get in the grass, don't get in the grass. Alright, then. Ooh, don't go in the grass, bro. That'll ruin you. So death does not sneak up on me here. Let's not die. Let's not die. See? Alright. Beautiful, beautiful. Who knows where it's gonna go? Oh, that's it. My goodness, bro. That's a good condition one? Hold on. I know I have this, but listen. Listen, don't die. No, the reverse cooked. Alright. I swear to God, if anything fails, we're in a problem. That's white problem. Anyway. Broken. Oh. I didn't even notice that. And now we're good. Alright, interior. Don't give up. Thank you. If spoiler fails, is what it is. Alright. That's cool. It's really cool. Like, why does this only happen to me, bro? That just shouldn't be happening. That's simple. Oh boy, that's not good. Remove fly. I was about to say remove flywheel. What do you mean remove flywheel? Anything else with that one? Please. Alright. Please. Insane condition M3. This man's been taking care of his car. Why do you want to sell in the first place? Last time I checked, these days these are collector's items. Now the spoiler decided to just not work. Come on up. drag racing. I don't think it gives me any XP though. Where is... There she is. The better M119 swap car. This is a box. This is a shoe box, so I don't know how this is gonna do. Is this way less than Mercedes, even though that's a race version? Well, alright then. I'd love for you to get off the gas. That's so unfortunate. Probably not like one. Something that's left. Let's try this corner once again. There we go. Much better. Sometimes when the car just dent my corner. Yes! Sub 50. Well, alright then. I flew too close to the sun. To be fair, it's still his best time. Which is even funnier. With all the good conditions, right? Do I have good vertical? Pretty sure I do. I don't. I'm fried. I just missed that too. Oh, there's one more, right? I already had this delivered. Alright. I didn't even notice I was getting that delivered today. Let's just drive. Oh no. I have to drive it. I just have to. Sometimes it's just... Sometimes it's gonna be impossible to drive. Whoa! Oh man. That was a loud program. Goodness me. Why are the gears so long? This is a Beetle. Did Volkswagen have enough faith that they thought that this thing's gonna reach 300 miles an hour? What's going on here? Pretty sure this is literally the best car in the game. The best car combination for this bunch of different combos. There's like Z13. SUV Z13 cars. I think this is the best combo you can get. A Porsche engine and a Beetle. You know, not the first thing I think of when I think swapping a Beetle, but you know, I guess I'm just not creative enough. Listen, I know it's from the same lineage as Beetle engine. I know the Porsche looks like a Beetle, but I don't think the Beetle needed a Porsche swap, let alone be able to have a turbo just like the Porsche. The Porsche turbo doesn't even fit. See the pipe sticking out of there? The black thing sticking out of the Beetle? I don't think that's supposed to be like that. Like, something tells me. I have a hunch that this wasn't supposed to happen. Keeping inside walls would probably get like a 48 if I didn't hit someone inside walls. Doesn't give me the same amount of confidence as the Volvo wagon. Because of that spin that went on for like 8 miles. I guess it paint black so that doesn't stick out of the car. Maybe that will work. Let's try something here. I don't know if that's any better. We level 5 yet? Goodness. Oh, literally by 100th. That's crazy. I did one of them. This does have wider wheels, so theoretically, that means it'll have more grip. Wider tires equals more grip, right? That's what that means? This is the Widowmaker. I'll just totally breeze past the fact this is really called the Widowmaker. Good job, Jacob. Good job. Completely forget that this is really called the Widowmaker. Really known for killing people and having possibly the most horrid case of snap oversteer. Not like some shit, man. Let me tell you that for certain. Thing, straight lines, I think it prefers being perpendicular to the road than being straight lines. Also, this fitment is just awful, man. Those wheels are way too far in the center. Be real for a second. What's the best thing to do? Well, apparently, because I took that one way too fast. Good job. Good job, man. Oh my goodness. I don't know how I didn't spin out. Maybe I should set up. It's worse than the Volvo. To be fair, the Volvo does have 62 horsepower to this. But also, it probably weighs double the amount of this. I don't know how much a Porsche and a Volvo weigh next to each other, but I'm pretty sure they aren't similar in weight. I don't know about you, but I'm pretty sure they are similar in weight. I made no progress. Made no progress.